her bring it back, tell her bring it back. Tell her bring it back, tell her bring it back.
Yeah.
Tell her bring it back, tell her bring it back.
Tell her bring it back.
Tell her bring it back, tell her bring it
Tell her
back.
bring it back.
Why that ass so fat, tell her bring it
Why that
back.
ass so fat?
Tell her bring it back, tell her bring it
Why that
back.
ass so
Why that
fat?
ass so fat, tell her bring it back. Tell her bring it back, tell her bring it
Yeah.
back.
Hey girl, come on, bring that ass back. Drop it to the floor, make that fat ass clap. I see you down and working, come on, let me make it worth it. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh girl, you do it perfect. While you working and you twerking that booty all around. Damn girl, haven't seen another do it like you in town. So if you need a nigga doing it right to you, here's my phone, call me up whenever you wanted me to.
Bring that ass back, don't be scared. Put it on me, yeah, right there. Move that ass, girl, up and down. Move those hips, girl, round and round.
So when I see you, baby girl, while you're shaking that thing, drop it down, take it off, we're gonna switch lanes. I see that booty nice, but let me make that pussy rain. I ain't thinking twice when you say you down and give me brain. Cause I am seductive, better yet, I fucked it, then I left, so trust it. I'm the best destruction, and I know you loved it. Cause you screamed and fussed it in all the rooms that we fucked in. So nigga, tell her bring it back, tell her bring it back. I know she'll bring it back, just like that. She got a booty and a rag, man, that's so fat. Gotta make it clap, make it clap, make it clap. Then you tell her bring it down low, take it down, take it to the flow, girl, you already know this gonna be a booty show.
Bring that ass back, don't be scared. Put it on me, yeah, right there. Move that ass, girl, up and down. Move those hips, girl, round and round.
Move it up and down, move it round and round. Girl, we fucking in every hot spot in town. Cause I'ma lay it down and I'ma fuck it right. Girl, spread them legs, I'm getting it in tonight. And I love when you bring it in, you know that pussy tight. I'ma keep you around cause your booty nice. And girl, if you lucky, I might just hit it twice. So just lay back and receive this pipe. You got booty for days, I'm trying to show you I can hit it like 50 different ways. You can drop your last man cause that nigga was lame. I'm a real nigga, I can show you how to change the game. Look, so just take a chance. You ain't got no money, you ain't got no plans. So put them ass cheeks in my face and do your dance. And just keep standing like that in your stance.
Bring that ass back, don't be scared.
Don't be scared, girl.
Put it on me, yeah, right there.
Yeah, right there.
Move that ass, girl, up and down.
Up and down.
Move those hips, girl, round and round.
Round and round, girl.
I'm just really talented, dude.